Hello everyone, in this video lesson I am going to present the summary and important question and answer of the story The Loving Mother. The Loving Mother, Arloti Jansen story. Characters: Soji Sakota, pharmacist. Woman, dead woman. Photographer, Soji's friend. Child, dead woman's baby. Sapporo, a city of Japan. Drug store, Soji's medical store. An old apartment, dead lady's rent house. Ame, child sweet food like lollipop, a hard round or flat sweet or candy made of boiled sugar on a small stick. A story from the island of Hokkaido, Japan. Summary: Soji Sakota was a pharmacist in a city of Japan. Soji Sakota जापानको एउटा सहरको फार्मासिस्ट हुन्, औषधि पसले हुन्. He lived alone behind the drug store because his wife had died and he had no one to live with. सोजी साकोटा एक्लै आफ्नै औषधि पसलको पछाडिपट्टि बस्छन्. उनको श्रीमती बितिसकेको र उनीसँग कोही पनि नभएको कारणले. It was a cold, stormy night in 1964. यो 1964 सालको हुरी चलेको रातको कथा हो. He was preparing his annual business report till midnight. उनी मध्यरातसम्म बसेर आफ्नो वार्षिक व्यवसायको प्रतिवेदन तयार पारिरहेका हुन्छन्. He heard a knock in the door of his drug store. उनले आफ्नो ड्रग स्टोरको ढोकामा कसैले ढकढक गरेको आवाज सुन्छन्. First he ignored the knock, but immediately he heard another knock. सुरुमा कसैले ढकढकाएको उनले बेवास्ता गर्छन् र तुरुन्तै त्यसपछि फेरि अर्कोचोटि पनि ढोकामा ढकढक गरेको आवाज सुन्छन्. He thought that it was due to the wind. यो हावाले होला भनेर उनले सोच्छन्. Then he heard the knock a third time. त्यसपछि उनले तेस्रो पटक पनि ढोकामा ढकढक गरेको आवाज सुने. It was louder than the previous knocks. यो चोटिको दस्तक पहिलेका भन्दा अलि ठुलो स्वरमा थियो. And he thought that it was by a person who might be in emergency. र उनले सोच्छन् यो पक्का पनि मान्छेले नै हो जो एकदमै आपतकालीन अवस्थामा होला भन्ने सोच्छन्. Then he saw a nervous looking young woman standing outside. त्यसपछि उनले बाहिर हेर्दाखेरि एउटा एकदमै आत्तिएको आमाईलाई देख्छन्. He pleased him saying her baby was sick. आफ्नो बच्चा एकदमै बिरामी छ भनेर उनलाई फकाउँछिन्. After opening door, he surprised to see her appearance and also with her demand ame on a stick. ढोका खोलिसकेपछि उनको स्वरूप देखेर एकदमै अचम्म पर्छ र झनै मध्यरातमा एउटा चकलेट उनको त्यो माग सुनेपछि झनै अचम्म पर्छन्. She paid and left quickly. उनले त्यो आमेको पैसा तिर्छिन् र त्यहाँबाट निस्किहाल्छिन्. She was an abnormal woman because she had very light skin. उनी एकदमै असामान्य देखिन्छन् किनभने उनको छाला एकदमै पहेँलो भइसकेको हुन्छ. And her eyes were also strange because they didn't look at him but through him. उनको आँखा अझै अनौठो हुन्छ. त्यो आँखाले डाक्टरलाई नहेरेर डाक्टरभन्दा पछाडि हेरिरहेको जस्तो लाग्छ. The woman visited Mr. Sakota's drug store next 2 nights regularly. त्यही शैलीमा ती महिला मिस्टर साकोटाको त्यो ड्रग स्टोरमा 2 दिनसम्म रेगुलर रूपमा त्यही मध्यरातमा त्यस्तै तरिकाको रूपमा आइराख्छिन्. सी ह्याड द सेम रिक्वेस्ट म्यानर एन्ड टाइम। उनले गर्ने अनुरोध, व्यवहार र समय पनि त्यही हुन्छ, तिनै दिन लगातार। देन ही डिसाइडेड टु टेक हर फोटोज। त्यसपछि मिस्टर साकोटाले उनको तस्बिर खिच्ने निर्णय गर्छन्। सो ही आस्क्ड टु हिज फोटोग्राफर फ्रेन्ड। त्यस कारणले गर्दाखेरि आफ्नो फोटो खिच्ने साथीलाई बोलाउँछन्। अन द फोर्थ नाइट व्हेन द वुमन केम एट मिडनाइट हर पिक्चर वर टेकन। चौथो दिनमा जब ती महिला आउँछिन् त्यसपछि उनको तस्बिर खिचिन्छ। बट डेभलपिङ द फिल्म दे कुडन्ट सी हर इमेज। तर रिल धुलाएपछि उनको तस्बिर देखि आउँदैन। दे फाउन्ड ओन्ली थिङ्स अफ द ड्रग स्टोर। त्यो फोटोमा ड्रग स्टोरको दबाईहरू, औषधिहरू देखिन्छ, तर उनको तस्बिर हुँदैन। देन दे डिसाइडेड टु फलो द वुमन अन द फिफ्थ नाइट। त्यसपछि पाँचौँ दिनमा ती महिलाको बारेमा जान्नको लागि उनलाई पछ्याउने निर्णय गर्छन्। अन द फिफ्थ नाइट सी केम बाउट आमे एन्ड वेन्ट आउट। पाँचौँ दिनमा पनि ती महिला आउँछिन्, त्यो आमे किन्छिन् र त्यसपछि निस्किन्छन्। देन दे फलोड हर एन्ड रिच्ड अ बिग डार्क बिल्डिङ। त्यसपछि त्यो महिलाको पिछा गर्छन् र एउटा अँध्यारो ठुलो बिल्डिङमा पुग्छन्। सी डिडन्ट नोटिस बिङ फ्लोएड। आफ्नो पिछा गरिरहेको भनेर पनि उनले मतलब गर्दिनन्। एन्ड सी इन्टर्ड अ रुम इन द बिल्डिङ। त्यसपछि उनी एउटा बिल्डिङको कोठामा पसिन्। एज दे स्विच द लाइट अन दे स अ बेबी हु वाज लिकिङ द आमे। जब त्यो कोठामा पुगेपछि तिनीहरूले लाइट अन गर्छन्, त्यहाँ एउटा बच्चाले त्यो चक्लेट, आमेवाला चक्लेट चुसिरहेको हुन्छ। दे अल्सो स द्याट द वुमन वाज लाइङ नियर द बेबी। त्यो बच्चाको नजिकमा ती महिला पल्टिरहेको पनि तिनीहरूले देख्छन्। टचिङ हर मिस्टर साकोटा न्यू द्याट सी वाज डेड बाई सेभरल डेज। मिस्टर साकोटाले उनलाई छोएपछि ती महिला धेरै दिनदेखि मृत रहेको कुरा खुलासा गर्छन्। Short questions. Describe the woman who visited Mr. Sakota's pharmacy late at night. The woman who visited Mr. Sakota's pharmacy late at night was not an ordinary woman. The pharmacist surprised to see her appearance. She had very light skin. She had unwashed and uncombed hair. Her eyes were not looking him but through him when he asked her what can he does for her. She looked so strange, that's why he says that she came from another planet. She was so strange and odd that she didn't look like a normal human being. What would you have thought if you had taken the picture of this woman and she did not appear on them when the film was developed? Nowadays we use digital camera, so there is no chance to disappear the picture from the camera or film. If I had taken the picture of this woman and she did not appear on them when the film was developed, then I would have thought that she might be a ghost who came to save her child. What did the men find in the woman's small apartment? The men followed the woman in the midnight. They were not so good to follow someone secretly, but she didn't mind being followed. She went to an old apartment. When they entered the room, there was a small baby about 8 or 9 months old, and the baby was licking the ame and was happy. Beside her, the woman was sleeping. They thought that the woman was pretending to sleep because nobody slept within a minute. So he touched her neck and found that she was dead by several days. What did the woman ask? Why did this request surprise the pharmacist? The woman asked for an ame, a chocolate which is a decent food for baby. This request surprised the pharmacist because of the time. At the midnight in a cold stormy night, a single woman came for an ame. There is something wrong. The woman wasn't looking normal human being too. So he surprised so much because he thought she came from an emergency, but her demand was not so serious to show the any emergency. Long question. So the points of similarities and difference between the two supernatural stories, A House Call and The Loving Mother. In the story A House Call, a little girl comes to the surgeon, Dr. Brown, and pleads him to follow her up to her residence. She says that her mother is very sick and probably dies. She always keeps some distance from doctor. Finally, she comes to an old tenement house. In the fifth floor, he sees a woman suffering from pneumonia. He knows her. After checking her up, he thinks about the girl and he finds the truth that she is a spirit, a dead child. In the story The Loving Mother, Soji Sakota is a pharmacist. At midnight, a woman comes to ask for Ame. It is very wonderful. A woman at midnight comes only for Ame. In 3 nights, she comes and asks the same thing. In the fourth night, they take many photos, but she does not appear in them. So last day, they follow her and find a little baby licking an ame, and she is died by several days. Similarity: both are ghost stories and they appear after death to help the loved one. In the house call, the little girl leads the doctor to her mother's residence. In the loving mother, mother leads the pharmacist and his friend to her living place. Difference: in a house call, a little child comes to a doctor's residence for a house call because her mother is serious. In The Loving Mother, mother comes to a pharmacist drugstore. In the former, the daughter is dead, but in the later one, the mother is dead. Thank you for joining with me in this video lesson, and subscribe my channel to get my upcoming video lessons continuously, and keep suggesting us. See you soon.